Here we go, Dom from Essential RC here with Trev on camera. Second flight of the P-47, 1.5 metre from FMS, and looks fantastic. Based on the first flight, it flies fantastic as well. This does have appropriate power for the size model. You can do some really nice fast passes and fast flying with this. Has adequate power to, you know, go from level flight to a loop, and so slow flight as well. Has the reflex version 2 gyro system on board as well, should you want to use that in stabilized mode as a beginner, or on a gusty day use that optimized mode to reduce the effects of that. But let's get it in the air, let's push it in some harder aerobatics, lower, harder flying, and see how it does. You ready, Trev?
I was born ready.
Of course you were. Here we go. Okay, there's a good headwind, so no flaps for takeoff. Just make sure we're trimmed out for level flight. Looks good. A little bit of maybe up required, but I quite like it trimmed down. It is on rails, this thing.
Looks quite comfortable upside down as well.
Yeah, inverted, no problem.
There you go, proving the point. Nice scale lay pass.
I think many full-size P-47 pilots have done that.
Yeah.
Flaps 1.
Nice and slow. Doesn't look like it's got any bad characteristics, to be honest with you, watching it.
It's lovely. Oh,
Nice.
oh my God. That is without doubt, the best big warbird that FMS do. Better than the P-51, better than the F4U Corsair on power alone, but aerobatics wise, it's outstanding. On the second flight, if you can do that at that low level with that confidence, I think that's just stunning. I'm not a fan of the P-47. You know, we all have our tastes, don't we, in terms of looks. But when you have a model that flies like that, I love the P-47. So brilliant. It looks fantastic, flies fantastic. So highly recommended. I think of all the FMS Warbirds I've flown, this is absolutely outstanding out of the box. So thanks to Trev for filming again as always, and thanks to you for watching. I hope you enjoy what we do on Essential RC. Some out of the box projects and somewhere we put in a lot more effort in, you know, FPV and flight controllers and all that type of stuff. We try and mix it up, as well as, you know, say getting coverage of some of the big events and shows that I like going to. More and more of those are abroad actually, so I'm going to Hobby Model Spiel in Leipzig in Germany this week on Wednesday, and looking forward to doing that. But thanks for watching everybody, take care. Oh.